Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. This is part 2 of our ultimate guide to choosing brake pads. We're diving deeper into the nitty-gritty details. If you missed part 1, catch up by clicking the link below. Low metallic brake pads. When it comes to brake pads, one common type that's worth considering is the low metallic brake pads. These brake pads are composed of a mixture of organic materials and a small amount of metal, typically steel or copper, to enhance their performance. Let's take a closer look at the composition, advantages, disadvantages, and overall performance of low metallic brake pads. Composition of low metallic brake pads. Low metallic brake pads are made by combining organic materials such as rubber, carbon, and fiberglass with a small percentage of metal content. This metal content typically ranges from 10 to 30%, often in the form of steel or copper fibers. The addition of these metal fibers helps to improve the brake pad's thermal conductivity and overall performance under high-stress conditions. Advantages of low metallic brake pads. One of the key advantages of low metallic brake pads is their superior braking performance, especially at high temperatures. The metal content in these brake pads enhances their heat transfer capabilities, allowing for more effective dissipation of heat generated during braking. This results in improved stopping power and reduced brake fade, making low metallic brake pads a preferred choice for high performance and heavy-duty applications. Additionally, low metallic brake pads tend to be more affordable than other high-performance options, making them a cost-effective choice for vehicle owners looking for reliable braking performance without breaking the bank. Disadvantages of low metallic brake pads. While low metallic brake pads offer excellent braking performance, they also come with some downsides. One notable disadvantage is increased wear on the brake rotors. The metallic content in these brake pads can lead to accelerated rotor wear, which may result in more frequent rotor replacements compared to non-metallic alternatives. Another downside of low metallic brake pads is their tendency to generate more brake dust and produce higher levels of noise compared to ceramic or non-asbestos organic NAO brake pads. This can lead to more frequent cleaning of wheels and a potential increase in cabin noise during braking. Performance in heat transfer, braking efficiency, and noise levels. In terms of heat transfer, low metallic brake pads excel due to the metallic fibers within their composition. This allows them to effectively dissipate heat, making them suitable for high-temperature braking scenarios such as heavy braking or towing. Braking efficiency is another area where low metallic brake pads shine. The metal content enhances their friction characteristics, providing strong and consistent braking performance, particularly under demanding driving conditions. When it comes to noise levels, low metallic brake pads may produce more brake noise compared to ceramic or NAO brake pads due to the metallic fibers. However, advancements in brake pad technology have mitigated this issue to some extent, and many modern low metallic brake pads are designed to minimize noise generation while maintaining excellent braking performance. Overall, low metallic brake pads offer a balanced combination of performance and affordability, making them a popular choice for drivers seeking reliable braking performance without the high cost of premium brake pad options. Ceramic composite brake pads. Ceramic composite brake pads are a popular choice for many vehicle owners due to their impressive characteristics and benefits. Known for their durability and reliability, these brake pads have become a top contender in the market for brake maintenance. Their composition and performance make them suitable for various driving conditions, and they offer unique advantages and disadvantages that every vehicle owner should consider. Characteristics of ceramic composite brake pads. Ceramic composite brake pads are crafted from a mix of non-metallic materials such as ceramic, filler materials, bonding agents, and small amounts of metal. This combination results in a brake pad that can effectively withstand high temperatures and maintain consistent performance. Unlike traditional metallic brake pads, ceramic composite brake pads produce less noise and minimal dust, making them a cleaner and quieter option for everyday use. Benefits of ceramic composite brake pads. The key benefit of ceramic composite brake pads lies in their ability to provide smooth and consistent braking performance. They generate lower levels of heat, which contributes to reduced wear on the brake rotors. Additionally, their low-dust formulation keeps wheels cleaner for longer periods, enhancing the overall appearance of the vehicle. Ceramic brake pads also exhibit excellent stopping power, making them a reliable choice for daily driving and moderate towing needs. Drawbacks of ceramic composite brake pads. While ceramic composite brake pads offer various advantages, they also come with a few drawbacks. These brake pads are generally more expensive than traditional semi-metallic options, which may deter cost-conscious consumers. Additionally, they may not perform as effectively as semi-metallic brake pads in extremely high-temperature conditions, such as intense track racing or heavy-duty towing. Suitability for high-performance vehicles. Ceramic composite brake pads are suitable for high-performance vehicles that undergo regular street driving or occasional track use. Their consistent braking performance and reduced noise and dust production make them an ideal choice for sports cars and luxury vehicles. However, for extreme racing conditions that involve continuous high-speed braking, specialized performance brake pads may be more appropriate. Impact on brake rotor wear. One of the standout features of ceramic composite brake pads is their ability to minimize brake rotor wear. Their lower dust production and reduced heat buildup contribute to prolonged rotor life, ultimately reducing the frequency of rotor replacements. This durability makes ceramic brake pads a cost-effective option in the long run, as they contribute to lower maintenance expenses and extended brake system longevity. By understanding the characteristics, benefits, drawbacks, and suitability of ceramic composite brake pads, vehicle owners can make informed decisions when selecting the most suitable brake pads for their specific driving needs. Whether it's the daily commute or occasional spirited driving, ceramic composite brake pads offer a compelling blend of performance and practicality. Ending this video, when it comes to choosing the right brake pads for your vehicle, it's crucial to consider your driving needs and vehicle type. For those looking for budget-friendly options, organic brake pads are a reliable choice, offering smooth and quiet performance for everyday driving. On the other hand, semi-metallic brake pads provide enhanced stopping power and durability, making them ideal for heavier vehicles and aggressive driving styles. For high-performance vehicles and spirited driving, ceramic brake pads offer superior heat dissipation and reduced brake dust, contributing to consistent braking performance. On the other hand, low metallic brake pads strike a balance between performance and everyday usability, making them suitable for a wide range of driving conditions. Lastly, for towing and hauling applications, especially in trucks and SUVs, consider investing in the durability and reliability of ceramic or semi-metallic brake pads. Ultimately, by understanding the distinct characteristics of each brake pad type, you can make an informed decision that aligns with your vehicle's needs and your driving habits. Prioritizing safety and performance, the right brake pads can elevate your driving experience and provide peace of mind on the road. And that concludes our two-part series on the ultimate guide to choosing brake pads. We hope this comprehensive exploration has empowered you to make an informed decision for your vehicle. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.